Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to link bank card to Cash App. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Cash App. So once you've opened up your Cash App and log into your account. So once you've already logged into your account here, so I've logged into mine. So now what you're going to do, you're going to go to click on your profile on your top right, click on profile. And then now here, scroll down under account and settings. You'll see an option called linked banks. Click on linked banks, and then under linked banks you'll see link debit card option. So click on link debit card, so click on that, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to simply plug in the details of your bank card. So whatever your card is, the number and all the other details, just plug that in. And once you've done with that, all you have to do is simply hit on the link card option here. So as long as you have entered a valid bank card, and then it will validate your card details, and then that's it, it will link to your Cash App. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.